Let's be real. Attention spans are shorter than ever. I've tried polished video ads, motion graphics, even influencer shoutouts. But nothing stopped the scroll quite like UGC ads. You know, those selfie-style videos where it looks like someone genuinely loves a product and just had to tell their friend about it? Turns out, that raw and real feel works because it is real. Or at least, it feels that way. And that's the point. When I first started running social media campaigns, I thought I needed high-end gear, perfect lighting, and flashy edits. But all I got in return? Meh engagement and expensive invoices. People don't trust ads anymore. They trust people. That's when I stumbled on the concept of UGC content creators, real people who create selfie-style videos that mimic the look and feel of organic posts. Think unpolished, relatable, and refreshingly non-salesy. After a little digging, I found this UGC creator on Fiverr. She's a top-rated seller who specializes in creating natural selfie-style videos that feel like something your best friend would send you. And honestly, that's exactly what I needed. I sent over a short script and a few product details, and within a few days I got a clean, authentic-looking video that totally nailed the vibe. No overacting, no awkward pacing, just someone who felt real talking about my brand like she actually cared. Results that speak for themselves. I dropped her video into one of my retargeting ad sets and watched it outperform every other creative I'd been testing. CTR up 48%, CPC down 35%. More importantly, people watched it all the way through. UGC ads work because they feel like word-of-mouth marketing, not a sales pitch. That's the magic. And when you partner with a great UGC content creator, you don't need to fake authenticity. It just happens. If you're building a brand or launching a product and still relying on traditional ads, you're missing out. The future of performance marketing is native, unfiltered, and real. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts reward content that doesn't feel like an ad. That's why investing in UGC content creators is hands down one of the smartest moves you can make right now. Looking for a solid place to start? Click the link below and read reviews about Allie before you place your order. Fast delivery, great communication, and most importantly, videos that actually convert.